Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this lecture, I am solving problem 4.71 from the book Fundamental of Fluid Mechanics by Munson and Young. So, the statement of the problem is water flows through the 2-meter wide rectangular channel. So, in given data, width of channel is 2 meter, rectangular shown in figure 4.71. This is figure 4.71 with a uniform velocity of 3 meter per second. Velocity is 3 meter per second. Number A, directly integrate equation 4.16 with B is equal to 1 to determine the mass flow rate across section CD of the control volume. So CD is the outflow. So here we have to find mass flow rate in kilogram per second. M dot in kilogram per second by using equation 4.16 with B is equal to 1. And part B, repeat part A. Repeat part A by B is equal to 1 over rho. By putting B is equal to 1 over rho, where rho is the density. Explain the physical interpretation of the answer to part B. So, solve again part A by putting B is equal to 1 over rho and interpret the result. So here we start solution. So solution of part number A is the equation 4.16 is B dot out is equal to integral of CD surface rho B V dot N dA. This is equation number 4.16 from the book. Now here is rho is density, which is 1000 kilogram per cubic meter per water. B is given to us as 1. V dot N is basically dot product, and this is normal to the surface, which is equal to V cos theta. And dA is the area. A is the area, and from this diagram we can find area. So this is angle theta, and this distance, this height is 0.5 meter. So let this is angle theta, this is angle theta, this distance is given to us as 0.5 meter, and this is L. So L, from this triangle we can write this cos theta is equal to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. So adjacent side is 0.5 meter divided by hypotenuse is L, or we can write this as L is equal to 0.5 meter divided by cos theta. And area is equal to L multiplied by this length multiplied by width of the channel. So it means that area is equal to length multiplied by width of the channel, and length is equal to 0.5 meter divided by cos theta, and width is equal to 2 meter. Width is equal to 2 meter. So A is equal to, simplify this, 0.5 multiplied by 2 is 1. So 1 over cos theta, and meter into meter is square meter. So it means that A is equal to 1 over cos theta square meter. So now we know that B dot output flow rate is equal to integral of CD. So rho V dot n is V cos theta, B is equal to 1, and integral of dA is equal to area of CD surface, and this is the area of CD surface. So mass flow rate is equal to rho for water is 1000 kilogram per cubic meter. Velocity is given to us as 3 meter per second. This is 1, and ACD is 1 over cos theta into square meter. So mass flow rate is equal to 1000 multiplied by, and this is cos theta, V 3 meter per second, and here is cos theta. So cos theta will be cancelled with cos theta, and this is 3000 meter cube will be cancelled with this meter cube, and final unit will be kilogram per second. So this is the answer of part 1. Mass flow rate is 3000 kilogram per second. Now in part number B, this is part A. Now in part B, it is required that put B is equal to 1 over rho in equation number first. So equation number first is B dot out is equal to integral of CD rho B V dot n dA, rho, and put B is equal to 1 over rho, and V dot n, we know that V dot n is V cos theta. This is dot product and normal to the surface, and dA. So rho and rho will be cancelled, and B dot out will be equal to V cos theta, and integral of dA is basically equal to area of CD. So B dot out is equal to, V is given to us as 3 meter per second, cos theta, and ACD already calculated by us. This is equal to 1 over cos theta into square meter. So this cos theta will be cancelled, and B dot out is equal to 3 meter cube per second. So this is the solution of part 2. Now what is the interpretation from this results? So the interpretation from B dot out is equal to 3 meter cube per second is, if we put B is equal to 1 over rho, then the final answer will be volume flow rate. So it is clear. At part number A, this is mass flow rate, but when we put B is equal to 1 over rho, then the final result is volume flow rate. So this is the basic interpretation. And for more problems, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and share with your friends. Thank you.